What's up everybody? My name is Chris from Flagship One, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install an engine computer on a 3-liter 2005 Ford Escape. So let's get started. First thing you're going to need to do is remove these two mounting brackets from the computer right there. They just mount right into the firewall, and they're just a 10mm bolt, assuming it hasn't been changed before. Second one over here. Once you've removed those two brackets, there's going to be two more bolts that you'll have to remove, and those will be coming out with an 11mm socket. So we'll just take those out. All right, at this point we can go ahead and remove our connectors, and the whole computer will just pop right out from the firewall, just like so. Now we'll be taking our next unit and putting it in, making sure the flat part of the plug is facing downward. And if you look inside, right there, you're going to see a small mounting bracket that the computer just slides right into. And once you have the computer in, you can go ahead and just repeat the same steps but backwards to get it installed. Once everything's tightened up, you're all set. Now at this point, you can go ahead and, if needed, program your keys, or if you purchase them from us, then they'll be ready to just plug and play and start driving. And that pretty much wraps up everything for installing an engine computer on the 05 Escape. If you have any other questions, you can check out our website, or check us out on social media, or give us a call. Again, my name is Chris from Flagship One. Thanks very much.